Hi, welcome to my channel Coding Skills. In this video, I am going to tell you what is a pattern along with some examples. I will also show you how we can implement the same in Java programming. A small request from my side is please watch the video till the end so that you will not miss anything. Let's get into the details. What is pattern? It is a special format of printing the characters, numbers and symbols in a specific way is called as pattern. So in this video I'll be showing the following two patterns using characters. Program will be continued on the next slide. Creating new Java class and naming the file accordingly. Also choosing public static void main method. Removing to do statement. Printing a message on the console requesting the user to enter a number of rows. Importing scanner object from util package in order to read some data from the keyboard. Creating a scanner object and mapping it to input stream. Scanner has a method to read an integer value which is next int and storing in a variable of type integer. Number of rows equal to invoking the method from the scanner which is next int. So once we have the value with us, so I'm creating a public static void method which is a print pattern, and for this method I'll be passing the input value which is number of rows. Invoking the newly created method from the main method, passing it in the method declaration, also at the invocation. So now we are done with the structure. Inside that we will be processing with the for loop. So int ch equal to, I am assigning a capital A. Though I have assigned as a character, so it is internally is going to show the ASCII value. So ASCII value range for capital A to capital Z are 65 to 90, and for small a to small z are 97 to 122. So I'm starting with a for loop int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number of rows which is input value, and I plus plus which is outer for loop. Once again I'm using a for loop int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Inside this for loop we are going to print the character ch. Please make sure that ln should be removed from the print statement, otherwise it is not going to print as expected in the expected format. So I'm also giving a space, so in order to get the space with after displaying a first character. Once we are done with the inside for loop, so inside for loop we are also incrementing a character. Once we are done with the inside for loop, so I'm printing a new line character, so that after completing the inside iteration, so cursor will move to the next line. So we are done with the program, so executing. Number of rows 6, we should see that. So initially it is displaying the ASCII values because I haven't converted in the character, so I'm just casting it to the char. Now we should see the alphabets. Up to number of rows 6 it should be fine. So if you enter number of rows as 7, so it is going to cross the limit of z, so we should see the other characters, other special characters which are in the next sequence. So once we are done with the other special characters, it is also starting with the small a which is 97. So if you do not want anything to be extended like this, so we can have a validation while reading the input from the keyboard. We can provide the informative message accordingly. So in this program especially we have started with the character A, but we can use any character as a starting character to print the format as expected. Instead of creating a new Java class, we will be using the existing Java class and also copy the existing method so that we can reuse the same piece of code, copying and pasting, and also commenting the previous method, as we are not changing the method name in this case. We will modify only the required places in order to print the second pattern. So character increment, which is inside second for loop, we are just moving out of the second for loop. That's all. Rest everything we are not touching anything. So executing this program, entering a number of rows, so it is going to display as expected. So if the input value up to 26, the triangle is going to display as expected within the alphabets. See, 26 means A to Z it has displayed. If the input value beyond 26, then it starts displaying the special characters as per the ASCII value, which is in the next series. We can see that. So in case if you do not want this to be displayed, so we can still have a validation against to the number of rows which is inputted while reading the data from the keyboard. This way we can control the display of triangle. We can always change the starting character of the pattern based on our choice. If you are having any questions related to this video, please drop me a comment so that I can respond to it. Also, if you are looking for any specific program, please do let me know so that I can plan for it in my upcoming videos. Please like the video. In case if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you so much once again and see you in the next video.